Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me, Crystal, if this is your first time here. Today we're going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. This is the January box, so let's get started. Alright, so for the 1 or 2 of you who don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's basically a monthly beauty subscription box. They have different box sizes and different box prices, depending on the size of the box, of course. And I have the $25 BoxyCharm box. I did go ahead and open this because I was so excited with my December BoxyCharm box that I could not wait to get this January box. So I opened it as soon as I got here, and we do have some really good things inside of the January BoxyCharm box. So when you open the box, of course, you have a little card that gives you some details and information on the products inside the box, including the retail prices of each product. We got some eye cream from Dr. Brandt. This is a triple peptide eye cream. I've never actually heard of Dr. Brandt before. Whoa. The eye cream retails for $82, so it says that this deeply hydrating peptide power cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. For $82. It better give you 20/20 vision plus all this extra shit that it's talking about. Oh, sorry, Mom. Other stuff that it's talking about. And this is the size of the tube that you get for $82. I'm going to stop talking junk about the price of these products because who knows, this might really work really well and make you like the best thing walking after you've used it. So after we try it out, I don't even use eye cream, but maybe I should. Once I take this makeup off, I'm going to look around my eyes and see if I need to start using it because, girl, I don't know. Next up, we have a lip balm by Bali Balm. This is a sweet orange and coconut lip balm. I have been wanting to try lip balms, but like lip scrubs, I should say, because I have like chapsticks and stuff like that. That's about all the lip balm I do. But I've been wanting to try like lip scrubs and lip treatments, but I ain't want to pay for them. So, thank you, BoxyCharm. It says that essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. That sounds dangerous. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. Safe to say I'm going to be puckering up to this. This lip balm retails for $33. We also got this High Def Glow Illuminator Duo from Laura Geller. This is in the shade Heart of Gold. There's 2 shades in it. The 2 shades are Shimmer and Sparkle. And that's what they look like. Can you see that? I've never tried Laura Geller products before. I've seen them on QVC. It's a highlighter. So, yeah. This says that this Illuminator Duo features a shimmer that radiates with pearlescent polish and a stardust sparkle. The left shade, Shimmer, is a soft low light of crushed pearl, and the right shade, Sparkle, is a high-intensity sparkle that looks as though it was plucked from the night sky. Way to sell that highlighter, Laura. This Illuminator Duo retails for $33. We also got a eyeshadow palette. This is by Ciate London. This is their Velvet palette. I've never tried a product from Ciate London. I probably won't go and try it if I can't get it open. Here we go. Let's move this little film thingy. So these have some really pretty shades in it. What I'm thinking, can you see that? When I look at this, a few of these foil shades put me in the mind of the Makeup by Mario palette, and I want to try to experiment with this and see if I can scrape some up and put like a solution with it and see if I can get that metallic foil look with these. I'm going to go ahead and swatch some of these. Let's do this one here. Oh, it's lots and lots of fallout here. Oh, that's, can you see that? It's lots of fallout. Let's do this gold here. These are really smooth and creamy and velvety. I felt like this was going to give me more of a payoff though. You just probably gotta layer it up a little bit. I don't know. We shall see. But I like the texture of them. These are really buttery. They swatched better on my fingers. Maybe they'll apply better with my finger as well. It says, create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment and super soft application. Velvety smooth was correct. Those swatched really smooth and creamy-like. This Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette retails for $30. And the last item in the box is this Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner from Pharmacy. I am excited about this one because I wanted to try a new toner. And look at God, he put one in my BoxyCharm box. It says here that this is an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oils without overstripping the skin. Ideal for combination oily or acne-prone skin. So basically all skin types. You say combination, oily, acne-prone, what you missing, dry? This toner retails for $28. Oh, it's a nice size bottle here. I'm gonna smell it. Maybe I'm not gonna smell it. I'm gonna smell it. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like absolutely nothing. Maybe I'll smell it once it's like going on my face. I don't know, but I don't smell anything, which is fine by me. At least it don't stink. Alrighty, so as promised, I am going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway of this Juvia's Place Taupes palette. I announced this giveaway in my last subscription box unboxing video, and my daughter randomly selected one person that shared, liked, and commented on that video and subscribed to my channel. The winner of this palette is Shar Edwards. I'm hoping I'm saying your name correctly, but Shar Edwards, if you can please email me your contact information in the email that's linked down below in the description box. You can also find the email on the video of the last subscription box unboxing video. And I will go ahead and get this out to you as soon as I get the information. Shar, if I don't hear back from you within the next 5 days, I'm going to go ahead and pick someone else so we can move on and do the next giveaway. So please get with me ASAP so I can send you your palette. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the products in this BoxyCharm box. Comment down below if you also get BoxyCharm and what did you get inside your January box. Have you tried any of these products? Let me know if you like them and your thoughts on them. Until next time, you guys have a good day. Bye.